Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'll guide you step by step on how to connect an AirTag to your iPhone. AirTag is a fantastic tool that helps you keep track of essential items like your keys, wallet, backpack, or other valuable belongings, ensuring you can easily locate them if they're ever misplaced or lost. Before we dive into the setup, let's make sure you're ready to go. First, ensure that iCloud Keychain and two-factor authentication are enabled for your Apple ID. Additionally, verify that Find My, location services, and Bluetooth are turned on. Lastly, confirm that your iPhone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set to start the process. So let's get started. To begin, take your AirTag out of the box and carefully remove the protective film covering it. Then, gently pull out the small plastic tab attached to the battery. You'll hear a cheerful welcome sound from the AirTag, signaling that it's powered on and ready to pair. Next, bring the AirTag close to your iPhone. You should see a prompt automatically appear on your iPhone screen, guiding you through the setup process. When this happens, tap on Connect to start linking the AirTag to your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to assign a name to your AirTag. You can choose a default name like Keys or Wallet, or create a custom name for the item you'll be tracking. After selecting a name, tap on Continue to proceed. Once the setup is complete, the AirTag will play another sound, confirming that it's successfully connected and ready for use. Now it's time to attach your AirTag to the item you want to track. For example, you can secure it to your keys, slip it into your wallet, or attach it to your bag. If this item ever goes missing, you can use the Find My app to locate it quickly. To track your item, open the Find My app on your iPhone and navigate to the Items tab. Here, you'll see your AirTag displayed on a map, along with details like the time and location where it was last detected. If the item is nearby, but you can't immediately spot it, tap Play Sound in the app to make the AirTag emit a chime, making it easier to find. For those using an iPhone 11 or newer, excluding iPhone SE models, you can take advantage of the Find Nearby feature. Tap on Find Nearby in the app, then move your iPhone around. Your phone will guide you with an on-screen arrow pointing directly to the AirTag's precise location. Once you've found your item, you can return to the main screen by tapping the button in the bottom left corner. If your AirTag is out of Bluetooth range, don't worry. Tap on Directions to open Apple Maps, which will guide you to the AirTag's last known location. In case you still can't locate the item, activate Lost Mode in the Find My app. I will show you how to do it. Swipe up from the bottom. Then under Lost Mode, click Enable. This mode notifies you as soon as your AirTag comes within range of your device or if its location gets updated through the Find My network. Additionally, if someone else finds your AirTag, they can use their iPhone or any NFC-capable device to scan it. This will display your contact information, making it easier for them to return your lost item to you. One important thing to note, your AirTag will remain securely linked to your Apple ID unless you decide to unpair it yourself. This ensures that no one else can use your AirTag without your permission. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your AirTag to your iPhone and use it to keep track of your most important belongings. AirTag is a simple yet powerful tool that brings peace of mind to your daily life. For more helpful tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and explore our other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and happy tracking!